Going once, going twice. Sold.
Number 8 is environmental, and this isn't something that we worry about unless we're looking at commercial property, and it's really something that we can find out pretty easy. So if we see something like an old gas station, those are usually going to be properties that we avoid because they could have underground gas tanks, and in that case, we're talking about a something that could cost over $100,000 to remove. And so we'll probably avoid those type of properties. But the way we can do this is we can just check the address on the EPA website. So we can check. There's a couple of those different types of sites out there. We can do a check to make sure that at this point nobody is issued an environmental easement or an environmental issue or something like that against it that would disqualify the property from us bidding on.
Yeah, most of the time when there is something going on with it, with some kind of environmental issue, the county or the city, whoever is selling the property, almost always says something about it. If there's some kind of a known environmental thing, but things we would watch for, something like a dry cleaning business, oftentimes, those could be, they use a lot of chemicals and things there that they can get fined for. Any kind of industrial business like that, you might be a little bit more careful with it. But, there's only so many times you're going to run into properties like that anyway, because they're fairly rare. And so, in fact, that's part of the issue there with all of these properties is just that every single piece of property within the county, is going to have some assessed value given to it, and it's going to have some property taxes that are owed. And it's just that nature alone that means, a certain percentage of them are not going to be good properties. And so that's really what we're trying to make sure we avoid. Most environmental issues, again, they'll tell you what it is. But if you see reasons, to be concerned, then it's certainly something you want to look into. Certain kinds of commercial businesses, industrial, yeah, you'll definitely want to look into that. But it's not usually something you're going to run into very commonly.
Yeah, I agree. It's not very common. It's definitely something, any kind of commercial property, it's worth doing a quick address check on the EPA website. It only takes a minute or two just so that you're sure.